Right guys, welcome back. This is the final part of the series to the Seat Leon FR. Just got the bumper back from the paint shop. It's looking pretty good. I've just fitted the fog light, lower grille, upper grille and license plate. And then I've put the sensors in. Just did all that inside, so just got a couple of screws in them. Pretty straightforward stuff. Just gonna try and attach it to the car now without scratching it. Not feeling too hopeful, but fingers crossed I don't. Yeah, it's come out alright, to be honest with you, the bumper. I'm excited to get it back on. Got a bit of paint as well from the painter to touch up these little bits. And so I'll get that fitted, attach these fog lights in, connect up the wiring harness. I am waiting on an O-ring for this sensor as well, but I've redid all these because I glued them before and they just didn't hold very well. I've got some like double-sided Gorilla Glue tape stuff and that holds really nicely. It's sturdy as anything, so I'm happy with that. So you can easily reuse these. Just get a hot air gun on your old bumper, use hot air gun to get it off, move all the tape stuff, and then just get some double-sided Gorilla tape and stick them back on, and works a treat. But yeah, number plate, just tape that on as well, it holds fine. Got the FR badge glued in as well. Yeah, that's a fog light. Fog light, that's not the fog light. Oh, there it is. Alright, so plug that in, plug the parking sensor in, and then try and shimmy it on. Alright, the bumper's on. It's 4 bolts along the top, 1 on either side of there at the moment. So I'm going to put the wheel liners in and under tray. Just sort all that out. I haven't really been able to record anything because it's raining pretty bad, but it's looking a lot better. It looks like a good match. So I've got some touch-in paint to all the geezer give me to touch that bit in. So yeah, it's looking good. Just need to put this bit on here. Which way around was it? Ah, this way. Just need to screw that in. Actually, there's little pop rivet things that just sit in there, so I'll get them in as well. It's coming along nicely though. Right, so just need to put the wheel liners in now, but I was waiting on this, which is the little O-ring that goes around this parking sensor, but it's just arrived, so I can quickly pull this one out hopefully, because it doesn't have a wheel liner in, and put this little O-ring on, and then that one should sit nicely. Then we can put these wheel liners back in and take it for a wash. That's that all in. So it's got that little O-ring around it. So now I just need to put these wheel liners back in. Hopefully I can do that with the wheels on, so I don't have to take them off, but we'll see. So I'll put the wheel liners in. It's all screwed in, and the bottom. Same on this side. Didn't have to jack it up, I just kept turning the wheel. It's alright. So they're all in. Now I've got a bit of paint from the paint shop, I'm just gonna touch them in. That little mark there, that one there, that one up here, little one here, think that was it. That's dirt. Might be a little bit there. So yeah, quickly touch them in. And then we can take it for a wash. But yeah, it's looking nice now. Happy days. So I've went round and touched them little marks in on down there, just to take your eye off it really, just so it's not one of there. See, you know, when you're looking at it, you don't see the silver. There's one somewhere around here, that one there, and this little corner here. Give that 20 minutes to dry off, and then we get this washed, and then yeah, get it washed, go take some photos. Yeah, I'll get back to you when it's being washed and you can see what it looks like. See, at the moment it's pretty dirty and wheels should come up really nice. Inside. Right, let's get it washed. I'm just quickly going to change the new plate I've got, because I got one for the front, so changing the back one as well. Just going to quickly drill some holes in it, put that on the back. It's the new plate on the back. New plate on the front, looking good. We'll get it washed now. Well, that's it guys, it's all done. It's all back together. Just give you a little walk round. Might be a little windy, so sorry about that. There we go, it's looking very nice. Show you inside. It's all sorted, locked. It's the backs. There's the boot. Yeah, it's looking good. Happy days. I hope you've enjoyed this little series. If you've got any comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.